Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying on your health journey. I absolutely love omelets. And I get a lot of my inspiration by looking in my fridge. Hello, I tell you that all the time, to see what you have. And I had some broccoli that was starting to go bad, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to make a nice, big, nutritious, and delicious broccoli egg white omelet. So let's get started. I'll show you what I've done so far. You know my recipes are versatile, so if you want to change it up, you can, and all the ingredients and directions are under each of my videos. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Hold on, check it out. So far, look at how pretty this looks. I love lots of color. And I've taken about a half a cup of nice broccoli that I just cut up into tiny little pieces. I had some mushrooms in the cupboard. If you have fresh mushrooms, you don't want mushrooms, you know it's versatile. So I put in about a half a can. I had some shredded carrot in the fridge and some red and yellow peppers, you know, a couple of tablespoons. And if you notice, some parsley. I thought, why not add some parsley today? And I just used a little bit of this pan butter spray to give it some nice flavor. And I'll just show you that I've just have it on a low heat. And this only takes a couple of minutes for your veggies to soften. It really doesn't take much time at all. So when you're hungry and you need something with high protein and lots of fiber, lots and lots of fiber, then this is a great option. So I'm using a cup, almost a cup of some egg whites, and I'm just going to pour that in, turn up the temperature to like a medium high temperature. And then of course we need some flavor, right? You know that I love lots of flavor. So I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit of some onion powder. And, you know, I just like to make sure I get all the way around. So maybe a quarter of a teaspoon or so. And I love some garlic powder. So I'm going to also do the same thing, sprinkle that in. Again, my recipes are versatile. If there's other things that you like to add. Today I'm going to add a few chili flakes because I want a little bit of zip. And maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And a little bit of pepper. If you want to add a little bit of salt, you can, but I try to keep things on a low sodium. And then you just want to go along the sides of the pan, okay? And cook all the wet of the egg whites because your veggies are already cooked, all right? And that's all you do. And I like to use about a medium pan. Now, if you want less egg whites, you can do that. But I just love keeping egg whites in my fridge. I add them to so many of my other recipes, which you can check out, of course, on my YouTube channel. And you can see I like to just twirl it around to cook up all of the wet. Now, the other thing that I love is some cheese, a little bit of cheese in this as well. And you can use whatever kind you want or just keep it like this just to have the veggies. That's fine as well. It's totally up to you. So I think this is pretty good right now. And you can keep it open faced like this and just add the cheese on top, or you can fold it over. And I like to add some low-fat cheese. I have a Tex-Mex here, and you can see that for a third cup, which I'm not even going to use, is only 90 calories. Probably about 3 or 4 Smart Points, but I'm just going to add probably about 2 tablespoons worth. Just sprinkle some on in the middle, and I also like it, of course, on the top as well. But again, it's up to you how you like it. And then you're just going to flip it over, or like I said, you can eat it as is. And we just flip it over like this, and it looks beautiful. Look at all of that. You can see all the nice colors because, like I said, we eat with our eyes. And you want to have something that is nice and filling. I like to make sure that it's well cooked, all right, because I don't like a mushy omelet. So I make sure I do one side and then the other side, and then it's time to eat. Of course, I have a nice big salad. You know, I love to have lots and lots of vegetables and a well-balanced meal. I might have one of my buns, my microwave buns that you can check out, or a tortilla, or any low carb option, carb. And if you want one of my 2 ingredient bagels, you can have those. Again, it's versatile. Or just have the omelet and a salad, which is very filling and nutritious. So I hope you loved this omelet recipe. Again, it's easy, it's versatile, it's delicious, it's nutritious, it's so healthy. And let me know what you think. Comment below if you change it up or you keep it the same. All right, love you guys and enjoy your omelet. We'll see you soon for lots and lots more recipes. Bye for now.